Okay, in today's video, I'll show you 4 types of trimmers. This one, its company name is Drilling. This is a G-Pass. This is Kimi trimmer, and this is Olsen Mark. Now, I will give you complete details of each and every trimmer, and I will tell you also which one is the best and why it is best. So this one is very good. I purchased it from locally, and its grip is good. You can just remove your trimmer from pushing this side and this side, okay, and you can on by this switch. On the back side there are two cells. It is operating on two cells, okay, and it has one little trimmer which is used to remove hair on our zero level. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the second one. It is also I purchased locally. You can look at the shape. It's quite old trimmer. It is almost similar to this, but both of the companies are different. Okay, and it is also using two cells inside. So this is also a better trimmer, and it is made by company Kimi. Okay, the third one, it's a very good trimmer. I really like this. This trimmer is G-Pass trimmer. Okay, G-Pass trimmer. What is the quality? It's actually its battery is prolonging very long. Okay, and its output result is also very good. If you want to cut your hair precisely, you just forward this side, okay, and then you will on from this switch. This is also using two cells, but its cells are concealed inside. They concealed properly, okay. And if you want to remove your cap and you want to insert new one, you just remove from here and you can insert second one. Is if I want to remove this one and I want to install this side, this one, so this is the way you can remove and you can insert new one. And the third one is Olsen Mark. Fourth one is Olsen Mark company trimmer. It is a very good trimmer. Okay, you can remove your comb from sliding forward. Okay, and beside this, its battery is very good, and its battery is also prolonging little long. So you can remove your comb from pushing these switches. Okay, and its battery is also built inside. In my recommendation, these two trimmers are one of the best trimmers. G-Pass and Olsen Mark company. These two are best trimmers to trim your hairs. Okay. Second benefit, which is existing in, it is actually using your normal charger. You can just insert your normal cable, charger cable here, and it is going to be charged. You can see this light is blinking. Okay. Beside this is also similar charging pin, and if you will insert normal charger cable in, it is going to be charged. Okay, but this is very terrible. You can say that it's used this type of adapter. If any fault occur in this charger in adapter, so it's not available in same quality and with same specs available in market, so it's actually going to be useless. So this is the charger of this machine, and okay, it is going to be charged, right? And it's the old one. It's this one is the old one, and is using two pin cables, which is not present this time. So these two are very convenient in the aspect of charging, and the result of these two are the best result. Okay, if you find my video helpful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you very much.